everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. I have an amazing recipe for you today. We're going to be making Nargisi Kofta Meatloaf. I'm going to start with the ground meat. I have 2 pounds of ground beef. You can either use lamb or mutton as well. Add salt to taste. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Next, I'm going to add 1 egg, half a cup of chopped coriander, and I'm going to mix everything really well into the meat. Now, using an oven tray, I'm going to line this up with about 1/3 of the mixture at the bottom. With your fingertips, make a couple of depressions and add 3 boiled eggs back to back. Cover with the rest of the mixture and press to pack the loaf tightly around the eggs. I'm going to cook this in my 350-degree oven. It's going to take about 40 minutes to an hour. Halfway through, I'm going to remove the loaf and I'm going to brush it with chili sauce, and I'm going to return it back into the oven to cook. When it's ready, you can slice it to reveal the eggy center. Enjoy.